Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a trashed Wix website. Whether you accidentally deleted a site or simply changed your mind, Wix makes it easy to bring your website back from the trash. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into the process. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile dropdown, which is usually represented by your username or Wix login, followed by a small dropdown arrow. Click on this dropdown to reveal an expanded menu with several options available for managing your account and sites. From this expanded menu, look for the option that says Go to All Sites and click on it. This action will take you to your website management page, which is essentially the control center where all your websites and projects are organized and displayed. This page gives you a comprehensive view of everything you've created or worked on within your Wix account. Now that you're on the website management page, take a moment to look at the options presented above your site section. You'll notice a trash icon or folder among these options. This is where Wix stores all the websites you've deleted. Click on this trash icon to access your deleted websites. Inside, you'll find a complete list of all the sites you've moved to trash, making it easy to review what's been deleted and decide what you want to restore. From the list of deleted websites displayed in your trash folder, carefully browse through and find the specific website you wish to restore. Once you've located it, hover your cursor over that particular site. As you do this, you'll see a Restore button appear. Click on this Restore button to initiate the recovery process for your website. After clicking Restore, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This window is designed to make sure you really want to restore the selected website. Take a moment to read through the information presented in this confirmation window to ensure you're restoring the correct site. Once you've reviewed everything and you're certain about your decision, click on the Restore button in the confirmation window to finalize the restoration. And that's it. Your Wix website has now been successfully restored from the trash and should be back in your main sites list, ready for you to continue working on it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.